If you have kind of a messy looking document and you want to get rid of the guides, this tutorial is for you. So here in InDesign, we have guides. Guides can help us line things up, just like these guides line up to the left side of these text boxes. There's a couple different things here. You can actually get rid of them, delete them. You can hide them, and you can also preview your document in a different mode that hides all the guides and makes it a lot cleaner looking. Let's look at how to hide the guides first, just the guides. If we go up to our view dropdown, we see grids and guides right here. And look, hide guides. That's command semicolon or control semicolon on PC. We click that button and it hides all the guides. So now we have a lot cleaner looking document. However, we do still see boxes here and like paths there. So to clean that up a little bit, we can actually just press the W key. What does the W key do? It switches to a preview mode. You can see our page is much cleaner. So I press W again, goes back to that, has all those boxes, press W, not cleaner. It actually hides all the elements that are outside of here too. So if I had maybe a secondary text out here I was messing with, if I press that W key, it goes to that preview mode and it goes away. So it's a nice way to look at your clean document. It actually switches it right down here. So you can see this normal mode and then preview mode, and W just toggles between these two. Those guides are still there. So if we press Command or Control semicolon, the guides come back, including the margins and everything like that. The margins we can't, well, we could get rid of, but I don't think you want to. But these guides, what if you want to get rid of these guides? You actually have to select it and you can press the delete key. Here's another thing. What if you can't select it? Well, it's possible that your guides are locked. Now I cannot, oops, move the wrong thing. Now I can't even select this guide to delete it. So make sure that you go up to grids and guides and unlock your guides. Then you can select them and just press delete, backspace, anything like that on your keyboard, and you can delete out the guides you don't want. So anyway, that's a way to hide guides, a way to preview your document, and a way to delete guides. I think that pretty much covers how to get rid of guides here in Adobe InDesign.